Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Most people would tell you it's home to some of the most fabulous boating events in the world, or where you can see the original London Bridge. Others claim that the youngest teenagers over 55 live here. But ask anyone who the cosmetic surgeon of choice is, and they'll most likely say Dr. Bert Faibisoff.
I chose Dr. Faibisoff because it's the natural choice. That there's nobody else to pick in town.
I would not only recommend him, I would go get you, pick you up, and drive you to him. He's that good.
Dr. Faibisoff and his family have lived in Lake Havasu since 1991. And as a board-certified plastic surgeon in both the U.S. and Canada, he's been practicing medicine since 1975.
Positive patient responses keep me enthusiastic about plastic surgery. It keeps me coming back every day. My work is enjoyable because patients are happy and I'm happy, and it gives me a reason to come into the office every day.
In addition to having a full schedule at his practice, Dr. Faibisoff travels all over the world as a Marine Battalion surgeon in the United States Navy.
I've served in the United States military, both in the United States Army and the United States Navy at this time. And I travel all over the world currently with the United States Navy. And quite honestly, when I see the lake from 50 miles off in the air coming in, I know that I've come back to Lake Havasu, and I'm happy to come back here. It's always a pleasure to be here.
I had been looking for a surgeon for a couple of years, and I recently moved here from California. And I had gone to a few consultations, and I just didn't feel right about the doctors I had met before. But once I came to meet Dr. Faibisoff, I was immediately really comfortable. And I knew that he was definitely the right person for the surgery.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer about a year ago, and it just all came at me, slammed at me so fast. All I knew was I needed to have both of my breasts removed, and there was Dr. Faibisoff right there, standing in the wings, ready to help me out.
While Dr. Faibisoff and his professional staff specialize in helping patients look younger and feel more confident in themselves, he is also on call at the area hospital attending to accident and trauma victims.
I get called almost on a daily basis by the emergency room here in town to treat patients who have been involved in accidents. Every injury is has a little bit of excitement. There's always a bit of the unknown, and can I put things back together the way they were?
What are some of the procedures that you can expect from Dr. Faibisoff?
As a plastic surgeon, I perform many breast enlargements. There's a common philosophy that this is kind of a silly procedure. It's very vain. However, many women come in feeling genuinely devastated about the appearance of their breasts and their own body image. And frequently after breast implants are placed, these patients have a genuine change in their personalities. They become much more outgoing, much more positive, and much more confident.
You know, he wanted me to look proportionate, and he led me down the right path, so I was happy with my surgery the first time and didn't have to go through multiple surgeries to find the results I was looking for.
Beyond my expectations. And I was referred to him by a friend also. So I asked around a lot. I had done my homework, and I had taken a lot of time to think about if this was really what I wanted to do. I'm thrilled. Yeah, I'm thrilled. And looking forward to the future as as the time goes on, they heal more and your results get even better and better.
If you are considering cosmetic or reconstructive surgery, nothing will convince you more than a satisfied patient.
My experience from day one to today has been A1, or as good as it gets. How much better can they make it? I'm so pleased with everything that's happened, that from the people, the staff here, to his expertise, it's that good.
He's compassionate, he's professional, he's fun. When I was going through all the terrors of my whole cancer adventure, he had me laughing. And you gotta laugh.
Dr. Faibisoff had a really good sense of humor. You know, he'd joke along with all your different conversations, made you feel right at home, very comfortable.
If anyone is considering plastic surgery, feel free to come in for a consultation. We're here all the time. And if you don't speak directly to me immediately, my nurse Tammy is always here, and she's always anxious and happy to talk about our procedures and our results.
If you need a good excuse to see the most awesome boats in the world, or get a bird's eye view of the London Bridge, come to Lake Havasu City, Arizona for a consultation with Dr. Bert Faibisoff. Invest in yourself and expect a younger you, a more confident attitude. Thanks for watching.